Well, hello everybody, and welcome to this Arty's Reviews video. This is a review on the Hauppauge HD PVR. So I bought this unit for 200 bucks on, well actually I bought this for $185 on Amazon.com. You can get these units on www.hauppauge.com. They sell it for 200 there. But they also sell it on Amazon and eBay for a cheaper price. So if you want to go buy it on Amazon or eBay, you can definitely buy one of these. Highly recommend to get one of these, especially if you want to record like high definition, high def capturing for like your video games. Highly recommend to get this unit. Right now in this video, I'll show you some like inputs and outputs, all that stuff, and how is it plugged in. So here is S-Video. If you want to like plug in your camera, you could with S-Video. Here is Composite video. Here is left and right audios inputs. So if you want to plug in your camera, if you have like a digital camera or something, you can watch it on your TV while you plug it in through here. So again, the power button. This is the infrared sensor. If you want to use a remote, you can plug your remote inside here and use it, but I don't use it at all. So yeah, I don't really use these in the front because in the back of it is where all the cables are. So this is the top row of cables is the where the output is. So these three white cables here are the component cables. These will output to the back of your TV here. And so this is where your output video goes. And then same with audio, it goes back to the TV. Down on the bottom, however, is my Xbox cables. These are the inputs. As you can see, you have to match up the inputs the same with the top ones. So here is where all my Xbox cables are located on the bottom. If I can get a better angle so you can see it. So let me pull this up. I don't know if you can see well, but on the bottom is actually where the output and input is. And on the right side there is right about these are 5.1. These are optical cable inputs and outputs. These are used for like home theater systems, like surround sound systems. You can use these. I have a Turtle Beach X4s. These cost $200. Again, these are very expensive headphones, but you can use a digital optical cable, as what I see in the back here. This little black cable, and it plugs into my 360 in the back right here. So you can use a digital optical cable for this. I tested it out before, but it doesn't. I need to get the right size for these optical cables. So because the ones I have, these black ones, they're a little bit too big for this. So I need the smaller ones to plug them in. But you can definitely plug it into your home theater system and whatnot, so you get 5.1 surround sound. Here, this little hole right here, this is the IR blaster cable. This is for the if you want to switch channels. Again, that's what they use it for. This is the USB cable. This will be plugged into your computer. And here's the power cable. And as noted, use only the power supply provided. Again, this is my second unit I have to replace, because what happened was, if you plug in the wrong power supply, what's going to happen is that your capture card will be fried, and you don't want that to happen. And that's like $200 down the drain. So make sure you use the same power supply for this sucker, because if you don't, well, it's going to fry your video card and it'll never work. So that was a first time experience for me. So I had to replace this. So I had to replace my old one with this one. So it works. So we're going to test it out. We're going to press the power button. This little blue light comes up. That means it's on. And it's cool because it's got LED lights on with it. So if you're recording, the LED lights will pop up. This is pretty cool. So, and we're going to turn on our Xbox. I'll turn on our TV here. As you can see, there's my Xbox 360 video. So, and again, this unit comes with software, recording software. So let me pull up my laptop here. I'm gonna have to enter my password, but it also comes with the USB cable. So if you want to plug that in to the side here, I don't know if you guys can see. There we go. Plug that in. So let me type in my password here. Okay. Now, I don't know if I can zoom out, but here is where the it's called Total Media Extreme. That's the software you're gonna use. So we're gonna double click that, or we're gonna open that. I'm going to zoom back out here, and this little screen will come up, and we're going to record a video. That's the one we want to record. Okay, and this big screen will come up, and what's going to happen is this USB will configure the video to be recognized. And there it is. Boom. There's your video, live capture feeds. So let me turn on my Xbox controller, and I'll just move, just move through the menus. As the same. So you can like mess around with the settings on the left side. You can mess around with I don't know if you can actually see it, but video input. You can put like different video inputs, audio output inputs. You can change all that. Device settings, format settings. You can change all that later, but highly recommend not to change anything. The only thing you want to change is probably the format settings. You can change the current encoding bit rate. I usually keep it at 10 megabytes per second, and keep the input the same, and then just keep the audio the same, and don't touch those. You can change the bit rate if you want. Highly recommend to either record up to 8 to 10 megabytes. That's preferably the good range for that. So, and down here on the bottom left, you can choose from PlayStation 3 to recording, Xbox 360, and this is for I think for the Nintendo Wii, but you can also use this for other camera devices. You can enable preview and recording for this screen, and then you can do hardware acceleration while recording. And then the capture card, that's the capture button. You can also set a duration. Like, for example, I want to record 10 minutes of it. You can just type in 10, and you can capture it from there. You can save different formats, like I think it's you can save MP4 files, TS files, and M2TS. M2TS is for PlayStation 3, TS is for AVC HD, and MP4 is for the Xbox 360. And here you can save it to different files within the your computer, so where you want to save in the location. So that is about it. That's the recording software. It's pretty simple, self-explanatory. So if you guys have any questions or concerns about the Hauppauge HD PVR, or you want me to give me, any questions or concerns about this device, let me know, and I'll catch you later on the next review video.